What is Haitian Creole, the language of Haiti? Haitian Creole, which is the language people of Haiti speak, is not simply a non-standard speech of French. It is far from that. In fact, Haitian Creole is its own language with its own grammar and rules. It is true though that Haitian Creole is derived from the French language. It is one of the easiest language in the world. Haitian Creole is an easy-to-understand language because it is a phoneme language. Haiti language, what is it? Just like many other nations on earth have their mother tongues which are usually called Creole. A Creole is usually a derived language that combines many other languages to form a dialect. Haiti is no different in that regard. Most people of the country of Haiti speak Haitian Creole though. Set apart with a heat climate and beautiful ocean panoramas, the island of Haiti is likewise the scene of impossible sorrow. Even before the 2010 earthquake that ruined most of its capital town of Port-au-Prince and reduced its population, it was and still is one of the most unfortunate countries in the whole world. The origin of the Haitian language. First, though, it is vital to grasp the concept of the word Creole. The term Creole all by itself does not denote a language in particular. A Creole could be a combination of many languages. When you combine these languages you form another one. It is the local language that most communities speak. Some countries have many local languages. In the old days, pre-revolution era in Haiti, Africans brought to Haiti came with their own languages. These dialects came from the local languages that they spoke back in Africa. The masters who owned these slaves were not able to understand them because the masters only understood French. It was the combination of the language of the masters, which was French, and the ones that came from Africa that became the Haitian language known as Haitian Creole. In order to speak during these periods, there had to be a common language. Slave masters would teach the Africans basic French. A basic French which did not follow any formal language rules. It was broken French. The slaves in turn would use the same basic French to talk back to their masters. These interactions using broken French, African dialects would in time develop the Haitian Creole language. Over time, the Haitian language began to mature into descriptive linguistics with syntax of its own, and at this time it became a Creole, a mixture. It was neither African nor European, however fully practical on its own. Haitian Creole and French. In order to show similarities between the two languages, we will go over some everyday usage. You will understand how the Haitian language is derived from the French language. You merely have to be compelled to compare phrases within the two languages to examine that for yourself. Haitian Creole and French have comparative dictions and offer numerous etymological bits and pieces. Truth be told, nowadays over 80% of the Haitian Creole vocabulary is a derivation of the French language of France. As similar as they may sound, however, numerous related terms really have distinctive inferences. Moreover, the sentence structures of Haitian Creole and French are altogether different. For instance, in Haitian Creole, action words are not conjugated as they are in French. Because of other languages mixtures, Haitian Creole and French have additionally undergone semantic modification. Words that had a solitary importance in the old days have changed greatly. For instance, to ask for someone for his/her name in Haitian Creole, the phrase "Qui Jan o really?" What is your name in English? In French it would be "Comment vous appelez-vous?" A normal French person would have a hard time understanding the above phrase if they try to translate by sound. Lefebvre's theory holds true in that regard. The replacement of the phonological representation of a substratum lexical item with the phonological representation of a superstratum lexical item, so that the Haitian Creole lexical item looks like French but works like the substratum languages, was central in the development of Haitian Creole. In French, good day is bonjour. In Haitian Creole, it's bonjour. Goodbye in French is au revoir, in Haitian Creole, it is au revoir. However, once you get to a full sentence, you notice the variations promptly. In French, do you speak Creole? Is parlez-vous Creole? In Haitian, it's au parle Creole. You'll see that in this occurrence, the Haitian verses themselves agree with French, or at a minimum appear to be from French, however the order is totally different. Often, the association between the two languages is simpler. As an example, if a French speaker were to mention, "I attend college in Haiti," he would say, "Je vais à l'école en Haiti." That very same sentence in Haitian Creole would be "Mwen l'école en Haiti." L'école sounds like l'école, and you definitely see Haiti and Haiti. However, otherwise, there is no mutual agreements between the two phrases. This is where other languages play their part in the blend that makes Haitian Creole. As indicated, the Haitian Creole language is a fun-to-learn language. It is very easy to understand once you know a little bit of European language such as French and Spanish. And there you have it. Now you know about the Haitian Creole. Please subscribe for more videos.